What's good, everybody? It's your boy Tila Matters back with another video. It's Sunday. Um, Sunday. Yeah, it's Sunday. Let's start by a little bit of forward testing, more of analyzing what I might be expecting for US30 in this week. Let's start on the daily. So in this week, when I look at the daily, we've pushed all the way down into the gaps that I had anticipated for price to go to for the past 2 weeks. Closed bullish, rejecting off of this fair value gap. What I love seeing is swing lows being created and stuff. So I would love to let price play out. In this case, I would love to see price play out first. Give me some context before I can conclude on anything. Yeah, I would love some context. So there's nothing that I can foretest here. I want to see some context. Price should at least give me 2 days data. So let's go back to back testing. So this is US30. I always want to start on the daily time frame. Okay, looking at this, you can see price came all the way down here, took out all those lows and into those fair value gaps, and we are quite bullish in nature. Yeah, we are quite bullish in nature. Let's just play out for, I want to see which day this one is. It was Tuesday, this is Wednesday. Wednesday, what time is it? This is for this was nice. Change in state over there. And then price giving a fair value gap down here. Let's go back to the 1 hour. We've got market structure shift bullish and all those things. So let's see what price wants to do. Let's see if price will drop into that area down there. But it's already almost 5. There we go, we tapped into that. I want to see the reaction. Okay, nothing major. It's okay. We're gonna go back to the daily time frame and watch how price closes for this day. Okay, we just stepped into the gap. Okay, we closed bearish, and we've got a gap here, opening gap, and we've got a swing high over here. So I'm expecting price to push down for this day. This is beautiful setup, I think. And then we've got market structure shift bearish, clear one. So I want to see price maybe push into this fair value gap and then give me another protected swing high. Okay, let's see. 3 o'clock. Here. Let me rewind a bit. Back to here. Price did not push all the way up. Let's watch again. Okay. We've got price closing bearish here. We already have the market structure shift bearish here. Let's see the 15-minute. Let's remove this one. My desire would be to see price take out these highs as well first. So let's watch. Here price came all the way up into this fair value gap, close bearish. We have a market structure shift bearish over here, close below this. I want to see if this is a fair value. Yes, and then we have a fair value gap over here. Now we will set up a trade in this gap. Time is the most important element. Let's just put the stop here at that high, but we're still a little bit within the range. My target is this lows into the fair value gap as well. Okay, why am I putting my stop in there? Okay, let me put my stop on the high of the higher time frame. The high of the hourly. That's more protected. But let me watch what price will do. According to price action, this high here, this one, should be the protected high. So let me stick to that. Remember, I'm studying to see how my model works properly. Let's see if we got this one right. So this day is what? Thursday. Let's click replay. Tapped in. Nice. Nice. I'm targeting these lows down here, but we already have taken a low there. My target is the high. Oh, that was beautiful. That was a beautiful one. I was targeting the higher time frame gap that we saw. So let's go through this trade again, just so that we understand it properly. When I came into this, price was like this, right? Price was like this, and then price pushed above there, above this high here, and closed back in, which is now a protected swing high here, and we are targeting this clear internal range liquidity. Remember what I was studying yesterday. We've got external range liquidity taken out, and then we've got target of an internal range liquidity. So price is now into the internal range liquidity. Expectation will be for it to then target external range liquidity, something like that. So this was quite beautiful. So with this swing high being created on the higher time frame, I've got a bearish bias. When I go to 1 to 5 minutes, I want to see a fractal model like market structure shift bearish to support the daily time frame. So this is high, that one that was created. We've got market structure shift bearish closing below here, and price came back to that bullish order block. All these series of bearish candles came into that, and then we have got another swing here. We've got another one here, right there. No, price going above and then closing back inside right here. That's a swing. Or we can use even this one over here as well. Price closing above there, coming back down, but this one will be the first one. Now we can go to the 5 minute to refine everything. On the 5 minute, we now look for market structure shift that follows the 1 hour time frame narrative. So you can see price pushed all the way up and started coming down, taking out all these swings, these previous swings on the left. So we've got the swing low here, swing high, price came down, and then you can see how price came all the way down, took it out. That's a market structure shift right there. And then we have another push up, price came down. That's another market structure shift right there, agreeing with the higher time frame. And then price came in all the way back into this fair value gap and then closing bearish here. That's another swing high, and eventually we can see how price pushed all the way down like that, and that was quite a nice one. I started this account with $1,000. My opening price was $1,000, and so far we're at 3,056. I've taken so many losses. You can see the first day I took the trade, I closed a profit of 200, and then I've closed so many losses. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me count first how many trades I've taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I've taken 16 trades and I've lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 16 trades, I've lost 10 and I've won only 6 of them, and I'm in profit of 3,000 US dollars. That's quite beautiful. Quite beautiful. The win rate is not that high. I mean the win rate, the win rate is not that high, but maintaining a specific risk to reward is proving to be the most important element to how I'm supposed to look at the market. I've maintained the same lot size. I've maintained the same risk, and every time I lose $100. And every time I make money, I make more than $200 in these trades. Like this one, the one that I just came out of was my biggest. So in as much as I took 16 trades, I still made profit, even though 10 out of the 16 trades were losses. 10 out of the 16 trades were losses. And I'm still profitable. My money is still higher than the losses. And I think this is the kind of approach that one should get into the charts with, even in the future. When I start, like, when I fund my account with that 1,000 US dollars that I plan to fund this account with, I might lose 5 trades in a row, but win 3 trades. Those 3 trades should be able to keep me in profit regardless, because the goal is not to have a 100% win rate model. A 50% win rate, even at 40% win rate, if your risk to reward is maintained properly, you can still make money. Even if 70% of the time you lose money, if you are risking if your risk is 1 to 2, risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, I can lose 6 times and win 3 times. 3 times will cover 6 times of losses, So I think that's the idea. Uh, yeah, the win rate is not that good. Let's check it. Let me see if I can see my win rate. I don't think it's that good though. Ah, they have started. Why is it not loading? Okay, I want to check on the dashboard. See, my win rate is 38%. 38%, and I've already made 205% profit from the trades that I took. So 162 trades. No, that's not real. So 38% is a very, very, very bad. Is a very bad risk to reward. I need to work on that. At least my win rate should be around 50%. If I can get my win rates to be at 50%, then I'll know that I understand my model. I need to understand my model to a point that this win rate goes to like 60%, 70%. In as much as I'm still profitable in here, but this win rate is not good. I want to improve on it over the next few days of trading here. I want to improve on it. I need to improve on it and see how far we go. Some of these trades, you see where they say total trades 20, total winners 6, total losses 10. Oh yeah, that's we spoke about that. I won missed trades. I missed 4 trades. Average trading duration 1 hour 30 minutes. Oh, nice. I think the win rate, we need to work on it. We need to work on it. We need to work on this one. Okay, that's it, guys. This will be the overview for this entire week of back testing. I think by next week, Friday, when we go through this by next week, Sunday, when we go through this analysis again, I wish to see my win rate having risen because I'm going to take more trades. So I hope to be more accurate. I want to be more accurate. I am going to be more accurate in the way I'm trading. I want to focus more on high quality trades, rather than just taking a trade. I need higher quality trades. That's what I'm going to be focusing on during the course of this week. But anyways, I think that will be it for this episode. See you guys in the next video.